I literally just woke up and I'm still half asleep, but even so, you can see how unique this tool is. That's really cool. That's really cool, guys. And I think it could be a new trend on the market.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Good morning, friends, my name is Kyle Maddox and welcome to my channel. And I just woke up, and in today's video we are going to check out a new app. I'm currently on the business meeting in London, and today feels like a very interesting day. My developers friends from Silicon Valley sent me just this app, and I want to test it. Is it possible to get free Toncoin with it, and whether it actually works right now or not. As always, by tradition, I'm not telling anyone to do anything. My video is purely for educational entertainment purpose only, so always think with your own head. Alright, friends, so first of all, if you don't know me yet, my name is Kyle Maddox and I have my own Telegram channel. You can pause the video right now and find it by its name, and today I want to test one interesting tool. There is already post about it on my channel, so let me open it, and I want to check everything together live in this video. Okay, and I'm really curious to see how this work and what is it about, and the intro screen already looks pretty cool, guys. I like this design. Wow, so the app has a lot of functionality and I've already made a few videos about it on my channel, so you can check them out if you haven't seen them yet. But today I want to test one specific feature related to Toncoin, guys. And here, guys, there is a game. So first of all, let me launch it. Okay, and let me just back and click continue. Okay, as you can see, there are several modes here, so today I want to test one of them, and there is a setup process here. So if you follow my channel, you already know I test a lot of different tools, and almost everyone has some kind of setups, guys. And the good thing is that all information here is from open sources, nothing is private, guys, so don't worry about that. And I'm gonna follow all the steps inside. Okay, the loading process has started, so it's become more interesting right now. Alright, so this is a basic step, and let me just quickly complete it, guys. It's not a big deal for me, so give me just a few seconds there. So all I just need to choose what I really need here, and today I'm gonna test with the Toncoin, so I'm just gonna grab that information. Alright, so I'm going there. Okay, let me just choose this. Alright, the paste like that, and to choose what I need. Alright, so let's just wait a few seconds, guys, and yeah, everything went really nice, perfectly. And while this is updating, guys, feel free to drop a like. I literally decide to record this video right after waking up. Alright, so as you can see, everything is updated here, so I'm gonna close the game and try to reopen it again. So that's already updated. That's great. And now let's move on the most interesting part, guys. I'm really curious how it works. So wow, 98, guys, 98. That's actually cool. Okay, so I'm gonna check. Wow, guys, that's very interesting things. Like I really like it. Like wow. So I'm gonna choose the settings here. I'm gonna do it real fast. All right, probably nice, gonna be like that. Okay, and now all I need is just to repeat what I see on the screen. So I literally gonna copy the all positions what I see. So 2 on the top, okay, in the middle I do like that. Okay, and the other 2 in the bottom part. All right, and let's try. Yeah, that was clean, guys. That was super clean, guys. All right, so I want to try one more time. And do not make this video too long. I'll just do it one more. So I literally gonna change the settings here, and let me just check. So the 2 is here, and let me check the other 3 there, and try to press. Yeah, look at that, guys. This is unbelievable. All right, as you can see, everything is work really cool here, and the most important point right now is to send everything back, because I won't really see how this actually works. So give me just literally a few seconds. I'm gonna open my app again. All I just need to find where, so I'm just gonna grab my information like that. And just gonna drop it right here. All right, let me check one more time. Looks nice, looks nice. I'm gonna press, and yeah. Looks like it's updated, guys. Looks like it actually works. Okay, all right, I'm gonna wait a few seconds more. And yeah, everything has already updated. That's really great. I'm gonna close this one. I'm gonna finish here this part, and that's really great. So guys, what I want to say, I really like this tool and I like how today test went. So I literally just woke up and I'm still half asleep, but even so you can see how unique this tool is. That's really cool. That's really cool, guys. And I think it could be a new trend of the market, guys. Okay, but it's my personal opinion, by the way. Okay, so I think enough time has passed, so let's check if everything here is updated. So I'm gonna literally just wait a few seconds, maybe more. I'm gonna refresh the page here. And yeah, guys, as you can see, everything is already here, guys. So I'm gonna open and check it here. So I'm gonna use, yeah, it's all in the place. That's really awesome, guys. That's really awesome. So friends, if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more tools like this, drop a like, leave your comments under this video, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in another one.